Okay, now we can talk. Hey guys, what is up? Good morning. It is right now, it's just after 7, which is a little later than I would normally like to be starting filming, but it's fine. And today I kind of felt like doing a productive day in the life. I didn't really plan to do this except when I woke up this morning and I realized that I still haven't unpacked from New York. Usually it's about a month and I just live out of my suitcase. But I've actually scheduled some time to film a cooking video tomorrow, so today was sort of a free day to get everything done. And leave me some comments and let me know what your favorite part of the day is. Mine personally is the morning time, which I know is not everyone's favorite time of day. There is no one else up at this hour. This is my time to kind of eat my breakfast, get myself a little organized, because I get hangry in the morning. I need my food in the morning. Do not even get me started. Food and coffee, it's important. So I'm gonna have my little breakfast number 1, everyone. I'm gonna have my little muffets. So let's get some food going. Oh no, I'm running low on my peach jam. All right. Time to eat. I love how in reading all the comments on that pregnancy cravings video, I felt so much less weird eating all the foods I was eating. You guys are great. And then usually I'll use this time to write up my to-do list in my notebook, but yeah, no, my notebook is done. So I have to go out and get a new planner today. I know. Such tragedies. I love planners. I love organizing, so I'm very excited about this. I probably have other ones kind of hiding in the back of my closet, but I don't care. I want a new one. And I also have to get organized for Julia's birthday. We are doing 2 parties. We're doing one for my in-law side of the family and one for my side of the family because they couldn't do the same day. Doesn't matter. Julia gets a full weekend of parties. I'm just saying. What a queen. All right, so I have a little bit of my list up there. I have my water and my coffee working on that. It sounds actually like Luke has awoken early. And lunch, which I packed the night before for Julia, she requested a salad, which we have grapes and cheese and cucumbers, tomatoes, that kind of thing. We have bagel and cream cheese, a little bit of jam, some trail mix, as well as applesauce and some Teddy Grahams, and then water and all the things you need to eat said foods. Okay, now I have 10 minutes. I've set myself a timer to do some makeup. Ooh, I want to show you guys. Look at the bathroom right now. Oh, we're getting heated floors in the bathroom. I'm so excited. Anyway, distracted. These are all of the suitcases for which I still have not unpacked, as well as all of the different packages that have come in, all the press packages and everything. Still balloons from when I announced the pregnancy. Oh, not bad. Well done, Rachel. And just in case you guys are wondering, I full on stood my camera up in a boot so I could film that. Yay, finished glass of water number 1. Love how I still haven't finished my coffee yet. Christopher calls it pulling a Rachel when I leave my coffee out and constantly need to microwave it. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do while Chris is dropping off Luke, I am going to go up and do a little bit of some emails. I'm not gonna get into all of the cleaning stuff yet. I'm probably gonna do that this afternoon. And I usually find that my brain works the best when it's early in the morning. So I'm gonna go and tackle a couple of emails until Chris gets home, and then we'll go out and do some grocery shopping while both the kids are at school. Wow, that's a great shot of me. Beautiful. I had a stand for my camera and I'm so mad. I don't know where it is. I think honestly, I think I left it at the cottage this summer. It wasn't that expensive. It's just so annoyed that I have to buy another one. So now I have to figure out a way of like somehow just resting this on stuff. I think that's steady. Breakfast number 2. Just kidding. I ate a bite of eggs and then immediately felt sick, so now I'm eating some apple. Welcome to pregnancy. So now Chris and I are figuring out what meals we're gonna be making this weekend when people come over. I like to give the kids an option on their birthday to kind of choose a meal. So Julia's requested a salad in some capacity, so I will be making her a salad. And also chocolate chip pancakes, because you know, balance. Okay, slight change of plans. Chris is going to pick up Luke. He's not feeling well. And I am doing the shop myself. So let's go. I have all of my stuff that I need on the list here, which makes it much easier. I still don't like being at the grocery store. I've gotten some things though, yay. All right, trip was minorly successful. Got groceries, couldn't find a planner, and what was the other thing? Oh yeah, Julia, like party supplies. I just was looking for random things. I did find a birthday present for Julia though, so that's good. But now I am starving. I had to halt everything. It's just barely turned noon, and I need to eat something right now. Okay. Now, I think for lunch, I'm gonna make a big salad. Like I want like the crispy onions and chicken and lettuce and one of those red lobster buns. Yeah, that's what we're gonna make. All right, so here she is. My salad for the day has chicken at the bottom, all the dressings at the bottom, so I kind of have to mix it all together. And now I'm going to stand and eat my salad while I make Luke a fried egg sandwich. I managed to finish the egg sandwich for Luke. Now I'm going to sit and eat this, and I'm going to watch some Bon Appetit. Molly's making mac and cheese. Delicious. Okay, just finished eating, and now I gotta get ready to go to a meeting with the designer and the contractor. And I gotta get Luke all ready. Where am I going? All the food. I hate running behind, and I feel like I haven't done any like productive work today. I mean, like a little bit, but do you guys ever have these? It's not fitting in my fridge. Of course it's not. Do you ever have those days where I was like, yeah, it's gonna be so productive. Like I still have all afternoon, but I feel like I'm already behind. This needs to go in the fridge. What else? Okay, good job. Finish up, please. We'll have to do for now. Shoes on.
And basement bar.
Oh, thank you. And then basement.
I need someone to keep me on track.
It's just necessary. This also satisfies my achiever where I can go, check, we did it. Okay, so here's an example.
Like, is it just a single slab?
Yeah, so this is not the color I want, but this gives you a sense of like, so like you just would take a ginormous 8x4 slab.
On the back of it. Oh,
and then same thing on the sides, everywhere. Like,
oh, something like super dark. So, I feel like this entire day has gotten away from me. I feel like so we finished our meeting, which took a super long time, but we got so much accomplished. Like I feel really good about all of the different designs that we're doing. As you can see, my beautiful carpet here, because they're doing the master bathroom. Anyway, but I feel like I haven't like accomplished any of the stuff that I really wanted to do, like all the organizing and laundry and all these other things, because we immediately went to go pick Julia up from school. And now we're back, and Julie's birthday's this weekend, so we're making loot bags for the class, and then there's like teacher night. Like yeah. So this happens sometimes. I'm sure this happens to you guys too. This turned into less of like a productive vlog and more of a day in the life / therapy for Rachel. So who's moving the chair? So now what I'm doing is I am getting dinner ready for the kids because going to see the classroom will be shortly around dinner time. Oh. Just got kicked by the baby. And then I'm gonna get into all of the organizing and stuff a little bit later tonight, probably after the kids go to bed. You can see I'm looking for spices. I have so many spices that I didn't realize. This isn't even all of them. I have more in here. Look at, like, so many, and yet I don't have coriander seeds. So there's that. And yeah, I'm gonna go and get dinner ready for the cadoodles. Oh, here we go. These are wraps from Costco. They're really, really good. Also making tea. Okay, one more handful. And I bought Snackos from the airport. They're right there. I wouldn't normally buy them. They're so good. Okay, so we're in the process of putting together little loot bags for Julia's class. Christopher is over here working on a recipe, and I am cleaning up the kitchen. So it is now 7:30. And look at this. Ooh, so good. I'm so excited right now. I don't know if you guys know what this is yet. Maybe you've watched the video, maybe you haven't, I don't know. So now what I'm gonna do is, I think I need a plan of attack for the rest of the evening, otherwise I'm just gonna sit and watch Bon Appetit videos. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go put on some loads of laundry so those can get started, and then I'm gonna come down after and do the kitchen. I think that makes the most sense. Let's call it what it is. I have been kind of putting off doing all of the laundry and everything and just putting everything away because it's a lot of work, but I think I have to do it now. It's part of being productive. And also not having to step over bags would be great. Also, in case anyone's wondering, yes, I am making cookies. Thank you for asking. So I have a bit more to hang up and put away. I bought this in New York. How cute is this top? Oh my gosh. And then I think I need to call it quits and go to bed. I am so tired. I feel like I did make some progress. I did put on a load of laundry and I've hung up a whole bunch of stuff, put away all of the suitcases, but I thought I would try something new. So let me know if you guys like this video. If you want to see more of these, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos here every week. And that's everything. I hope you guys had an awesome, awesome day. I hope you have a good, productive one tomorrow. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. I love you all. Mwah.